In this video today, we are gonna be exploring all around that stuff back behind me. I always drive down this road and see it, and I wanted to go check it out. And there's a lot of hills around here. They look pretty fun too. And I'm thinking and hoping it's a good spot to carve some jumps, have some free ride spots out here. I'm not gonna be doing jumps or building jumps today, just trail riding around to see what's out here. So hopefully it's fun, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Double. I don't feel like it's smart for me to do it right now after I haven't ridden in forever. Oh, here it is. Dude, it's so much bigger right here. I've seen this thing from the road so many times and I wanted to look at it. I'm gonna go down there. I might pace it off too, because like in the future, this is like a fourth gear step up, I think. That's definitely 100 plus. Yeah. I'm reaching for a Kickstarter again. Look at all the junk that's here. There's a car right down there, and like, I don't know, it's interesting to me. Fun box. Oh shit! Wrong direction. Ah! Holy shit! Alright, picture this, guys. Make a line up there, hook around, send it. Dude, like it's so much bigger than it looks like from down there, from the road. 65, 70, 75, 80. That's actually not that. It's like probably 150 if you made that into a step up. I don't think I want to do it, but I want to watch somebody do it. Like it's totally doable, but I don't know if I got it in me. How sick of a shot would that be? Have like Brody Wilson or someone come out here and flip it. I'd pay to see that. Or I could just get to work and step up my game. I wish I could look up pictures to see what this was like when it was active. Go for it or don't go for it. Yeah. Woo, 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 woo! Oh yeah, this is not terrain for a freestyle bike to be on. This is why I can't have nice things for a long time. That doesn't even do it justice. Oh shit, look at that spine. Okay, that was fun. You want to go over there? Let's see what that thing is and shoot out that way. Okay, cool. When it was built. Does anybody know how to research that stuff? Ooh, nails. That's private property. Crazy.
So we can't take that road, we gotta go around it.
Well, it looks kind of cool. Like we could go around and go up that and then shoot over. Cool. Oh, Rocky. Sorry, bike. Up, down, funk you up. Up, down, funk you up. Say what? This is not an actual trail. Do you want to go in?
Let's go for it.
Is it scary? Let's see if we can lock our bikes this time. All right, let's see how we do this. Boom!
Got it. But,
First try. It's cowies only today. I like days like that.
Not only that, we also all showed up in General Motor trucks.
Nice! Taking it back to the old school Chevy trucks, Kawasaki.
Yeah.
Woo! Dude, this is dope. Ah! That was a good scream. That was
Let's go. Come on, what are you scared of? Yeah, likely scared. Hey, don't kick that out, by the way.
Okay, so I'm holding this whole thing up.
That's what it looks like. You guys are short, and this tunnel looks like it's getting shorter.
You're not that much taller than us. Oh God, something moved. No shit, something moved in that hole there. Let's play it safe. It could have been just a paw, or it could have been a tiny rabbit. Who knows? I mean, we're all on the same page, right? Right? Oh shit, something moved. It looked like the end, but there was a really small, like only a foot high, like hole to the right. But then right on the bottom edge of that, something like went back to the hole. Okay, so I might have overreacted. We're going back in. It was probably just a little squirrel kind of critter. We should have brought headlamps.
We should be quiet for a second and see if we can hear like a coyote breathing.
Hey, bear.
Hey, bear.
Hey,
Whoa, bear.
coyote.
Hey, bear. Whoa, bear.
I'm pretty creeped out right now. Oh, f it's a rat.
Oh, it's a rat?
Yeah, it just scared me right now. Hi, rat.
Those rats are pretty deadly.
Hi, guy.
Where is it?
Yeah, here. That's the
this
end.
is just like a rat's nest. That explains the smell. Hey, 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 whoa now. Stop hitting the support beams. This is kind of neat, though. Hey, what's up in this hole? Oh, it's probably one of them, like, air vents. Because it's got a tube. There you go, lay up treasure.
We could totally go in there too. So I'd like to do some more research and learn about the mines and caves and stuff that are out here, what they were used for, and what some of these buildings looked like when they were new. I think it's interesting. I heard there was like 60 something mines out here, or caves, in this general area, and I thought it'd be a cool idea to do a video and see how many we could find just riding around. Drop a like to the video and comment if you can, and if I get a lot of likes and comments wanting to see that, I'll come back and make a video. I'll probably come back to this area though. You don't even need the strap.
God damn it.
What happened there?
I don't know. I had them right here. I moved them up and...
Oh, they just slid. That's crazy. All right, you good?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Oh God, oh God, oh God. There we go. I'm glad they put the stake in the middle of the line, because I definitely would have plowed that barbed wire.
Yeah.
How funny would that have been? Looks like a good beginner, like, you know how the enduro guys go up, and
Yeah.
That's what it looked like, but I just
You cleared it.
I launched right over it. Yeah. Whatever, it's kind of cool. You all right?
I goosed it.
Oh, did you hurt your balls?
Oh, I landed right on them.
Oh no! Want me to hold your bike?
No, I'm good. I tough kid goosed it in the rocks and just fell over with my bike, landed on my boys.
Dang.
Yeah, so I stopped to take a pee. That's all that happened, guys. I just took a pee. I feel a little choked up.
Yeah.
Like I'm gonna cry.
Is it that gnarly? Is it just like a deep internal pain?
It's just so much fun hanging out with you guys that I get emotional sometimes.
Oh God.
I'm just glad I wasn't the first one to go down today.
Oh man! Did you want to just join the team?
Yeah, I guess.
Did you eat it? Yeah. Hard.
Thanks for cursing me. Is your radiator leaking?
It's not leaking, but he fucked it up again.
Mine's bent too.
Yeah.
It's been like pretty good.
Radiators just, you don't like radiators, man.
I guess not.
I hope I'm not next. I'm gonna really chill for the rest of the ride.
Yeah, I got the one out of the way, and makes the figure that it happened.
Good ride, boys! Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and check out the links in the description, mailing list, etc., etc. Check us out. Be friendly. Don't be a stranger. I'll see you guys next time.